Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm Nushat Fateh Ali and I'm here to present our capstone project which is called Health AI. It is basically a personal healthcare companion. So here is our app. So I'll press get started and then I'll provide my email address and also password for login. So now you can see our home page. So you can see that we have 6 modules here: prediction chatbot, doctor suggestion, cure suggestion, health analytics, personal data and emergency system. So now I'll give you brief overviews of all of these modules. So the first module is prediction chatbot. It is basically an AI based chatbot which is hosted in Azure cloud service. So it has multiple functionalities. The main functionality is I can provide my symptoms here, like I'm suffering from chest pain, and then it will ask me further questions and it will analyze my replies to predict the particular disease that I am suffering from, and it will also provide me some suggestions for care, like whether I should take rest at home or I should immediately go to emergency department. And it has other functionalities, like I can ask for the information about asthma, what is asthma and what are the symptoms and so on. So here is a quick demo what is asthma. So here you can see the information. I can also ask what are the symptoms of asthma. So here you can see that it is providing me symptoms. So now I will type cancel to start over, and now I will provide my symptoms. So now I will say that I am suffering from cough. So now it will analyze my response and it will ask me further questions, like how would I describe the cough. I will select cough with blood or blood stained mucus, and then it will ask me further questions like have I coughed up a huge amount of blood. I will say yes, and then it will suggest me that I should immediately go to emergency department, and it is also predicting that I might be suffering from pulmonary tuberculosis or laryngeal cancer. So this is all about the chatbot. The next module is doctor suggestion. So here I will select my region, so which is Dhaka, and then I will select cancer surgery specialist, and then I will press search, and now it is providing me information of a doctor from that particular region in that particular domain, and it is also providing me the contact information. So now I can press this call button, and then it will open up my phone app and it will help me to connect with that particular doctor. The next module is cure suggestion. So I can enter my disease here and the app will find home remedies for that particular disease. So here you can see that we have a lot of diseases here. So I will select severe cough and then press search, and you can see that the app is giving me home remedies for severe cough, like get about 10 pieces of bitter cola, grind to powder and so on. I can also search for other diseases, like I can search for diabetes and then press search, and it is giving me more home remedies for diabetes. So yeah, that's all from this module. So the next module is personal data. So it is just a profile view. Here you can see your name, email, age, SOS number and also saved hospital here. So this is basically your profile view, and all of this information were given during the registration phase. So that's all from this module. The next module that I want to talk about is emergency system. So here you can see that we have two buttons. The first one is press to send SOS message, and the second one is press for ambulance message. So if I press the first one, then SOS message will be sent to my saved contact. So I have saved my father's number. So if I press that button, SOS message will be sent to my father with my current location. So here you can see the small demonstration. So here you can see that the app has collected my location, and it has also written emergency SOS message, and it is sending to my father's number. And the next button is for finding the closest hospital. So if I press that button, then my location will be sent to the closest hospital. The app will compare my location and find the closest hospital around my area, and then it will send my location to that particular hospital for an ambulance. So here you can see that it has collected my location and it is asking for ambulance from the closest hospital. So that's all from the emergency system module. Now the next model that I want to talk about is health analytics. This is where our hardware gadget comes into the play. So here you can see that we have two options here. First one is to measure health parameters, and the second one is for detailed analytics. So if I press the first one, you can see that it is asking whether I have the hardware device or not, and it is also giving the instructions to connect the hardware device. So here you can see the hardware device. You can see our hardware device. We have several sensors to collect oxygen rate, temperature and heart rate from the body. So first we have to connect the hardware device. So here you can see that we have connected the hardware device, and now I will press yes. And now we have to wait for 45 seconds. Here you can see in the device that the LED light is blinking when it is collecting data from the sensor. So now we have to wait for 45 seconds. So now you can see that the red light has stopped blinking, and the 45-second has also passed. So we have the final results now. You can see that the temperature value, the heart rate value and also the oxygen level value. So this is our final result, and now I will show you the second option, which is detailed analytics. So here you can see the detailed graph here from our previous history and our current value, and if I want detailed health analysis based on current values, then I will press this button and it will say that yes, we have normal health parameters and everything is fine. So it was all about our health analytics module. So that's all from our side. I have given you the whole overview of our app. So thank you so much.